Hey guys, welcome to Mo Crypto. I'm Mo, and today I want to talk about the different mining little setups I've been working on lately. Well, as far as a mining setup goes, I just want to be honest. I really don't have like a mining rig, like none of this six-time, 1080s Ti's or 1070s. I like the game. And that's where I started. I have a desktop, and inside I've got a 1070 that I bought actually for mining, I'll be honest. Prior to that, I had a 1050 Ti, and that worked just fine. But I wanted to play around with mining a little bit and get into it. So really, I only have those two cards. I don't make a lot of money, but I enjoy mining at home as a hobby, and it's fun to collect different cryptos and stuff like that. Now, that being said, of course, who doesn't want to make a buck here and there? So lately, I've been looking at different coins and different avenues of way to make money. Anybody that's in the mining business right now knows that profits are like way down. Difficulties in a lot of different coins, and just the market in a slump right now has caused mining profits to decline quite a bit. That being said, there are a couple avenues that I still find profitable, and I wanted to share them with you today. Uh, Nicehash, I want to talk about them. They've been around for a while. They've had some ups and downs. There's been some problems, but they're back on again. And I gotta say, I'm really impressed with this new feature that they've added. So, if you're not familiar, Nicehash is basically a marketplace where you can purchase hashing power from other people to mine any altcoin you'd like, or whatever they offer, not just any out of the blue. But so when you mine with them, you run a miner on your home computer or your mining rig or whatever you're using, and it will do a algorithm switching based on profitability, and it pays you out in Bitcoin. So you're not mining Bitcoin, you're basically renting out your hash power of your mining setup to other people that are purchasing that hash power to mine whatever altcoin is profitable at the moment. It's great on the back end because you don't have to know or set any of this up. You download an executable from Nicehash, you run it, it does benchmarks on all the different algorithms that you can run on your system, and it'll just start going on its own. After a while, you'll generate enough Bitcoin to get a payout. Now, in the past, I'd used Nicehash, but I wasn't really happy with their fees. It costed 4 to 5% to withdraw. You got to use their wallet. You got to pay other fees to withdraw to your wallet. It was just, it wasn't really smooth, and it was. I found it more interesting to actually mine a single coin by myself to my own wallets. That being said, Nicehash has implemented a new feature where you can withdraw up to 0.001 Bitcoin straight to your Coinbase account for absolutely free. Doesn't cost you anything. So if you log in here to Nicehash, I can show what it looks like. Go to wallet. So recently I just did a withdrawal, so you're not going to see that I have anything in here. Currently in my Nicehash wallet, I've got, one Satoshi. These are the different withdrawals I've done recently. You can see they were withdrawn straight to Coinbase, and the amount that I've withdrawn. So it's really nice. Like, say you had at least 0.001 in here. You go to withdraw. It's pretty simple. Here it is right here. If you want to withdraw to your own Bitcoin wallet, say on your desktop or something, it costs a minimum of 0.0021, and the processing time can take up to 24 hours, and there's a 0.2% fee just to do the withdrawal. If you want to withdraw to your Coinbase account, it is 0.001 Bitcoin. The processing time is instant, and the fee is nothing. I can't stress how great that is. So you click on this option here, you put in the email that you use to set up your Coinbase account, you set the amount that you want to withdraw. Like I said, there is a 0 transaction fee. I wish I had some in here so I could show you, a real-time transaction, but it literally took about 2 seconds to do the transaction. I hit withdraw, boom, checked my Coinbase, there it was. Nice thing about Coinbase is you can then transfer those funds to GDAX, and there's no fee for that. You can link a bank account with them to have funds once you've sold into fiat, you can have it converted straight into your bank account. Really convenient, really easy. So that being said, I went ahead and ran this, and I was getting some pretty good numbers, especially after Monero decided to fork so that the ASIC miners couldn't be used on their blockchain anymore. I was making pretty decent profits with Nicehash. They implemented the Kryptonite 7 algorithm, and I was seeing about, $2.55 a day. I know it's not a huge amount of money, but like I said, I only have a 1070 and a 1050. But it was more than I had been making, which was around like maybe $1.40 a day or something like that. So the jump up to 255 was nice. I was able to get withdrawals like in a week. So it was fun while it lasted. But everybody is jumping on that Kryptonite 7 algorithm now, and of course the difficulty is going back up. So I wanted to bring you guys attention to a new coin. Well, it's not exactly new, but it's gaining a lot of popularity, and that is Ravencoin. It uses an interesting algorithm that randomly switches. So it's completely ASIC resistant. Well, I don't know if I can say completely, but it's highly ASIC resistant. So the power for mining Ravencoin is going to be in GPUs and people that can set up miners to switch those algorithms pretty frequently. The pool I use for Ravencoin is Pickaxe.pro. There's a lot of good pools out there. I just really happen to like these guys. If you come to their site, I'll post a link below. But you come to their site and you can see all the different algorithms that they actually offer and the different coins for them. But the great thing here is like a one-stop shop for Ravencoin. If you scroll down here a bit, on the right-hand side, you have links to all the different wallets that they mine, the coins that they mine on their site. They have links to all the wallets. The Ravencoin wallet is right here. You click on that, and it's a simple Qt wallet. It unloads a package on your desktop. You run that, you're going to get your address hash. Then down here a little further, you can get the actual miner for Ravencoin right on this link right here. There's a few different miners available. I'm using Nevermore right now. There's one called Enemy. You can set it up with CC Miner. I think Claymore has something you can use for it. I'm not 100% sure. But really what I'm using is Nevermore. It works fine for my purposes. So what you're going to do when you download it, it's pretty straightforward. You'll get the Nevermore miner right here. You see it's CC Miner. You're going to right click on the example.bat file and you're going to go to edit. You edit that up, you bring that open, and you're going to see this text file. Go back into the Pickaxe.pro site, scroll this up, and on the left hand side you're going to see an algorithm called X16R, and that's the one that Ravencoin uses. So if you copy this string right here under the X16R Ravencoin, you're going to cut and paste that, copy and paste that right into here. Just like that. Now what you're going to want to do is open the wallet that you've downloaded from the link on Pickaxe.pro, and you're going to want to get your address for Ravencoin, and you're going to want to copy that and paste it right in here. It's that simple. And you're going to save this executable file, and when you get out, you're simply going to double click it, and it's going to start your miner. It's going to start going. It'll start switching randomly to the different algorithms, and away you go. I actually have the miner running on my desktop, like I said, right now, and I'm having problems running the video program while I'm mining, so I'm actually creating this video on a laptop currently. But that's the steps you're going to want to go to get set up. And one thing I wanted to show you, right now with my 1070 and my 1050 Ti, with both of them running together, I'm pulling roughly, on average, about 14 megahash a second. So if you go to whattomine.com, you can actually see Ravencoin. You can actually see what the profitability would be. So in the hash rate, I went ahead and put 14. I'm just going to leave the power and the cost alone. Your guys' mileage will vary on that depending on how much you pay for power, how much power you're using, that sort of thing. But I didn't want to get too technical with this. I just wanted to show you roughly with 14 megahash, which again is 2 low-end video cards. Right here it shows daily I'm making about 235. So that's almost what I was making with Nicehash when the Kryptonite 7 algorithm came out. Once Monero forked, and that was very profitable, and I was mining that with Nicehash, I was making similar to these prices. But right now with Ravencoin, I'm making that all the time, and I really like doing it on my own. I like running the miner on my own as opposed to, you know, using the rent hash power kind of model that Nicehash uses. Now, don't get me wrong, Nicehash is great. It's very easy to use. It's right out of the box. You run the executable, it benchmarks your system, and it just starts chugging away. The other convenience with Nicehash is the fact that you can just send it straight to Coinbase. There's no fee, and you can utilize your coin that way very, very smoothly, very easily. If you want to convert it right back into fiat and put it back in your bank account, there you go. Now with Ravencoin, it is an interesting new project. I highly suggest you guys go ahead and look into that and see what they're all about. It's out of the scope for this video, but the difference with the, Ravencoin as opposed to Nicehash is I would have to send this to an exchange, and I would have to sell it, and then transfer Bitcoin around, transfer fiat around. It's just a little bit more legwork on my part, whereas Nicehash is just click, click, go, and you're set. That being said, I do find it more enjoyable mining for Ravencoin currently. That'll change probably next week, but this week I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing for my mining. I'm going to post below some affiliate links to Amazon, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what's running in my rig right now, and I'm also going to show you my my wish list rig, something that I want to build. I'm holding off on buying video cards right now due to the fact that I believe NVIDIA is going to be releasing something in the very near future, maybe in a couple months or so. But other than that, that's what we're mining today, and I just wanted to show you guys what I was up to. If you have any questions, if you need any help setting any of this up, let me know in the comments below. If this video was helpful at all, go ahead and like it and subscribe, and I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you again next time.